Welcome! Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view your highlights on Instagram. Whether you want to revisit your favorite moments or check out what your friends have shared, this step-by-step process will help you navigate through the app seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from your device's app store. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and highlights. Your profile is like your personal gallery, showcasing everything you want to share with the world. Once you're on your profile, scroll down just a bit. Right under your bio, you'll see a section dedicated to your highlights. These are those little circles that represent stories you've saved for later viewing. Now click on the highlight that you want to view. This will open up a collection of stories that you've previously shared and saved in that highlight. As the highlight plays, feel free to swipe up to see any additional options or interactions available for that highlight. You can enjoy reliving those moments and even check who viewed them if it's within the 48-hour window after posting the original story. And there you have it. Following these simple steps allows you to easily view your Instagram highlights anytime you wish. It's a fantastic way to keep memories alive and share special moments with friends and followers. So go ahead, explore those highlights and enjoy revisiting your favorite stories. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.